For years, Toyota's 2.5-liter hybrid system has been regarded as one of the most dependable hybrid powertrains on the market. Found in popular models like the Toyota Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Crown, Highlander Hybrid, and several Lexus vehicles, the system has earned a reputation for combining impressive fuel economy with long-term durability. Millions of drivers have accumulated hundreds of thousands of miles with very few major mechanical failures. However, no powertrain is perfect. As Toyota continues refining its hybrid technology for the 2026 model year, several updates suggest the company has been listening closely to owner feedback. While Toyota has not announced a single universal defect affecting every 2.5-liter hybrid engine, it has introduced improvements aimed at enhancing reliability, efficiency, cooling performance, software calibration, and overall driving refinement. Here's what has changed. Why some owners wanted improvements. Toyota's 2.5-liter dynamic force hybrid engine remains one of the industry's most efficient, naturally aspirated four-cylinder engines. Combined with Toyota's hybrid synergy drive, it consistently delivers excellent fuel economy while maintaining strong reliability. Still, some owners have reported concerns over the years, including hybrid battery cooling efficiency in extremely hot climates, hybrid software calibration that occasionally produced hesitation during acceleration, inverter cooling improvements, cold weather engine warm-up times, occasional drivetrain vibration during engine start and stop, refinement during transitions between gasoline and electric power. Most of these concerns affected only a small percentage of vehicles and were often addressed through software updates, service campaigns, or production improvements, rather than major mechanical redesigns. Toyota continues improving hybrid reliability. For 2026, Toyota continues updating its fifth-generation hybrid system. The latest calibration focuses on making power delivery smoother while reducing unnecessary engine starts during low-speed driving. Drivers should notice more seamless transitions between electric and gasoline operation. Toyota has also continued improving battery management software. Better thermal monitoring helps maintain optimal battery temperatures, especially during long highway drives or repeated fast charging and discharging cycles that occur during everyday hybrid operation. These updates help preserve battery longevity while maintaining consistent performance. Cooling improvements matter. One of the biggest focuses for modern hybrid vehicles is thermal management. Heat is one of the primary factors affecting long-term battery life. Toyota has refined airflow management around the hybrid battery and improved cooling strategies that better regulate battery temperatures during demanding conditions. This is especially important for drivers living in Arizona, Texas, Florida, Nevada, and Southern California. High ambient temperatures place additional stress on hybrid batteries, making improved cooling an important long-term benefit. Updated power control software. Another significant improvement comes from revised power control software. Toyota engineers have optimized how the gasoline engine and electric motors work together under various driving conditions. Benefits include quicker throttle response, smoother acceleration, more predictable power delivery, reduced hesitation from a stop, better highway merging confidence. These software refinements require no changes in everyday driving habits, but can noticeably improve the driving experience. Hybrid battery technology continues evolving. Toyota also continues expanding the use of newer lithium-ion battery technology across more models. Compared with older nickel-metal hydride batteries used in previous generations, lithium-ion batteries generally offer higher energy density, reduced weight, faster charging capability, improved power output, better overall efficiency. Toyota still uses nickel-metal hydride batteries in some applications where they remain the better engineering choice, but the overall trend continues toward lighter and more efficient battery packs. Improved regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system has also received software refinements. Toyota has worked to make brake feel more natural by better blending regenerative braking with conventional friction brakes. Drivers may notice more consistent pedal feel, less abrupt transitions, improved energy recovery, smoother stopping performance. Although subtle, these changes improve overall refinement during daily driving. Better engine warm-up strategy. Cold weather operation has long been an area where hybrid vehicles require careful calibration. Toyota has adjusted engine warm-up programming to improve efficiency during low-temperature starts. The engine reaches optimal operating temperature more efficiently, while maintaining cabin comfort and emissions compliance. This can help improve fuel economy during winter driving. Enhanced inverter protection. The inverter remains one of the most critical components in any hybrid system. It converts DC battery power into AC power for the electric motors, while managing energy flow throughout the drivetrain. Toyota has continued refining inverter cooling and monitoring systems to reduce thermal stress during extended operation. These improvements are designed to enhance long-term durability rather than address a widespread failure trend. Fuel economy remains outstanding despite the updates. Toyota's priorities remain unchanged. Maximum efficiency, excellent reliability, low maintenance costs. Depending on the model, the 2.5-liter hybrid system continues delivering fuel economy that ranges from approximately 39 to over 50 mpg under EPA testing, making it one of the most efficient non-plug-in hybrid systems available. Proven long-term durability. Toyota hybrids have built an impressive reputation for longevity. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, even 400,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The naturally aspirated design, absence of a turbocharger, proven eCVT transmission, and conservative engineering philosophy all contribute to that reputation. Routine maintenance still matters. Even with Toyota's strong reliability record, proper maintenance remains essential. Owners should continue following Toyota's recommended service schedule, including regular engine oil changes, engine air filter replacement, cabin filter replacement, coolant inspections, hybrid system inspections, brake fluid service when recommended. Keeping the hybrid battery cooling intake clean, especially if you frequently transport pets or drive in dusty environments, can also help maintain battery performance. Should current owners upgrade? Owners of recent Toyota hybrids generally do not need to rush into replacing their vehicle. The existing fifth-generation hybrid system remains highly reliable and efficient. However, buyers considering a new 2026 Toyota may benefit from the incremental improvements in software, battery management, cooling, and drivetrain refinement. While these updates are evolutionary rather than revolutionary, they reflect Toyota's ongoing commitment to improving one of the industry's most trusted hybrid powertrains. Final thoughts. The headline that Toyota admitted the 2.5 hybrid problem should be viewed in context. Toyota has not announced a universal defect affecting every 2.5-liter hybrid engine. Instead, the company continues to refine the system based on engineering development, real-world owner feedback, and routine model year improvements. For 2026, the updates focus on smoother power delivery, enhanced battery thermal management, improved regenerative braking, refined software calibration, and continued advancements in hybrid efficiency. These changes reinforce Toyota's long-standing strategy of making small, steady improvements to an already proven platform. If you're shopping for a new hybrid SUV or sedan, the 2026 Toyota 2.5-liter hybrid system remains one of the strongest choices available, offering excellent fuel economy, low operating costs, and a track record for durability that few competitors can match. Rather than representing a dramatic fix to a widespread flaw, the latest updates demonstrate Toyota's commitment to continuous improvement, helping ensure its hybrid lineup remains among the most reliable and efficient on the road.